Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Wipe the finger and sensor gently because oils and debris cause failures. Once done, remove any case or protector that might shift pressure or alignment and restart the device to clear temporary errors. Next, go to Settings and toggle Touch ID off, then back on. This resets the software handshake. Now re-register the primary finger using steady, centered presses. Don't swipe. Press and hold briefly. Lift and reposition slightly between scans so the sensor captures full edges and center. Now focus on how you enroll. Register the same finger twice, angling it a little differently so the sensor learns edges and center. This improves match rates. Once registered, add an alternate finger to cover real-world use and update your device passcode if the system requests stronger credentials. Make sure your OS is up to date because fingerprint drivers often receive fixes. If failures continue, delete all fingerprints and perform a full biometric reset. Then repeat enrollment from a powered-off restart to clear lingering state. Finish by testing Touch ID across normal conditions, dry skin, slightly damp, and different angles so you confirm reliability. If it still says failed after resets and re-enrollment, back up your data, erase the device, and restore from backup. Sometimes a clean system image fixes corrupted biometric stores. Finally, if problems persist, suspect hardware, you should visit an authorized service provider because sensor or connector faults require professional repair or replacement. In short, verify software, re-enroll carefully, then seek service if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.